Oh, that guy's got a riot shield. Not fair. This is so hard to explain. This wall is just, it's not only like a portal, but you can like look into it from the side. That's really cool. Win. We're here with Paul Brady. We just checked out something new from Resolution. What are people trying behind us here?
This is Spatial Ops. It's a demo we have of a game that's a mixed reality multiplayer experience where you could do co-op gameplay or single player gameplay against a portal of a virtual world where there's waves of bots coming in at you.
It's wild because you're in mixed reality, so you're seeing the real world, especially on the Quest Pro, outside of the headset, but there's like these boxes you see behind us. You're like, why the heck would that be? It looks like a tripping hazard. Well, you can see the box in the game. That's potential cover. Portal's opening in front. It's taking up this whole wall here. That's really cool. Damn, that is really cool. So now they've added a set of crates right here. That's all virtual, but it really looks convincing because it's sitting right there. So now I've got this I can duck behind or shoot over. And then the game brings in more crates for more cover, and you're looking through this portal as enemies are coming at you and you're dodging around them. Fox, what did you think of it?
I loved it. It was great actually, like walking up the portal, looking to the side, still seeing enemies walk past you. The guns felt great. I love the shotgun. It was sort of like, just felt like it had power to it. It was good.
So satisfying.
One thing I really love about it too is you can actually use like your sofa or an armchair to rest a sniper rifle on to steady your aim.
We got the sniper rifle now. I feel like this is not gonna suit my play style, but we'll try. Scope looks good on it. I'm trying to put my arm on this fake box here.
Also, when they come in at you, it feels like you're being taken over and someone's attacking you. So it's really cool to see the virtual world come into your real life, and you can customize your map too quite a bit and make it however you feel makes most sense for your space and your furniture and all that stuff. Pretty adaptive.
Now this is a proof of concept, but there's a reason that I want to tell you this needs to come out for everybody, because right now I got the Quest Pro, we've had them for a couple months, and there's nothing that is like the thing to show someone what mixed reality is. There's no app that I'm like, I'm gonna put them in this and this is gonna give it to them. I'm still showing them VR on the Quest Pro. That's why this needs to come to home. Need more ammo than these revolvers. I keep having to reload constantly. There we go. This is so hard to explain. This wall is just, it's not only like a portal, but you can like look into it from the side. That's really cool. Oh geez, oh geez. So the weapons all stay here. They're floating in the mixed reality, so you can actually switch during the round if there's a different weapon you need that's better. All right, we got the shotgun now. God, I wish we were getting video of this. This looks really good.
Well, we also have Demio in mixed reality on the Quest Pro too, so.
Hopefully I don't miss. I do. It's bad.
Oh no!
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh. Just kidding. So now we have the key. Just run for the exit, Fox.
I'm just gonna run. Try to get out as fast as we can.
Oh no! It means they're gonna try and turn on us.
Oh, come on.
That's one way to do it, but I hear you. This is a really fun way to experience it as well, especially with a shooter, and to be able to actually have that sort of first-person shooter experience, but with mixed reality where you're seeing your world and fantasy objects and elements and creatures coming at you. It's pretty cool.
We're in right now. There's like frames around the boxes. There's this terminal that I'm clicking on to choose what's next. We're gonna go to Earth Prime via the portal before you. So I can't get the portal to close, so I kill everything. Got it. Eliminate all enemies. Easy. Okay, I swear there is better Quest Pros than the one I have at home, and this is one of them. Why does the mixed reality always look so much better at conventions? All right, we got the revolver. We got 2 revolvers. And if it's gonna be multiplayer, then it's gotta come so we can play it together, right?
Absolutely.
Because that'd be so cool. You're both now fending off the waves.
Well, actually our vision is, and I don't think I've even mentioned this to you guys, is that so you have this one portal in front of you where you're taking on waves of bots. You'd also have your wall to your left or your right would be a portal into your friend's environment somewhere else across the world. And you're shooting together into this wave co-op mode. They can throw clips of ammo over to you, throw a gun your way, revive you when you go down, stuff like that. If people start coming into your environment, overwhelming you, they could shoot into your environment. It's pretty awesome. It's very innovative stuff. We've never seen anything like this ever before, so it's really exciting for us to be working on it.
That is. Resolution has been like one of the top developers that keeps bringing cool stuff. You all know I've spent too much of my life in Demio. Apparently Fox has too.
A little bit.
But it's awesome. Well, hey, this has been really cool, Paul. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate you coming by.